Yo, what's up guys, it's Blues back with another banger. Today we're here in the Demonfall update for sound breathing, and today I'm going to be getting into you guys how to get to Uzui, how to find his wife, the requirements, all that good stuff, so you guys can get them, new sound breathing. And I'm going to be showcasing it too, so you guys can see if it's a winner or an L from my perspective. Oh, what's up? Is that Doma? Oh no, that's Uzui. Okay. Oh shoot, is this guy gonna kill me? Okay, I don't know. But yeah, before we do that, make sure to like and subscribe as we are, okay, you're joking, right? As we are trying to push 250 by the end of the month, and oh my gosh, this guy is actually crazy. But, yeah, I'll just get, straight into it after, I hopefully don't die from this little butt. Alright guys, so we're back, and right here from Hayakawa Village, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to get to Uzui. But basically we're gonna just come over here, just follow my lead. You are gonna need $100 for this beginning part because we are going to fast travel to Akuya Village. We're gonna take a little shortcut here. We're gonna jump over these houses, come to this little guy with the horses. If you play this game, you probably know about stuff already, because I'm hoping you know about some of this stuff. You're gonna fast travel to Akuya Village, and the rest basically just watch. I'm just gonna play some music and follow along, and I'll see you when we get to Uzui. Alright guys, so we made it to the Slayer Corpse now. We are finally here, and this is where Uzui is located. Now, he's just around like one of these houses over here. I can't really remember exactly, but I think he's like over here by like sitting down in the corner of a building or something like that. Not over here, but I think he's just where is he? Wait, where did he go? Yes, over there. So right behind this green house with like this blue shed is in the thing. That's the big windmill. If you're coming in through this path, you're just gonna take a left right here and then come down, and Uzui will be right here. Now the requirements for Uzui are going to be find his 3 wives, which I'm going to show you to do. And get 3 perfect jewels. If you do not know how to get these, then just go watch my video like last week I made on how to do that. But the first wife's location is actually right by Tengen. So if we go over here, so this is like Tengen's right there. We just come to the left over here, and we're just gonna be coming over here. But wait, let me turn up my graphics a little bit. That was not that much. So Tengen's first wife, I think it's I can't remember. It's right up there though. But just come over here, climb this. It's like so. She's gonna be right up there. Just climb this wall. It shouldn't be that hard if you have some experience wall climbing. It's like so. Bang, 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 and she's gonna be right here. I think this is Suma, or yeah, Suma. Then she'll say, Lord Uzui is looking for me, no worries, I'll be right on the way. That's what they all say, though, so, it's nothing really special. But that is the first location, and for the second location, I'm gonna meet you guys back at Hayakawa Village, because that's where we're gonna be starting. So, I'll see you, at Hayakawa. Alright, guys, so we're back at Hayakawa, just right outside the spawn location, and we're just gonna be going back to that, wagon guy. So, take a little bit of shortcuts, he's gonna be right over there, but, we're trying to get up there, if you did not know. So, the wagon guy is right here, and basically what we're trying to do is come up, right over here. So this is the wagon guy, just come up to these little rocks, and we're trying to climb this, tree. This is gonna be kind of hard, if you guys, do not know how to climb trees. That's kind of a weird question. Just like so, and climb it. So we're just like, it was right over there, we're just coming up, and right here, we got the wall. We're just going to scale this wall, come straight out here. And you're going to see a little crack eventually over here. Now, I think this is, I don't know. Not Makio. Hinatsuri. Yep, this is the same thing. Just be, yeah, I'm right on my way. And, yeah, so, that's that. We already got 2 out of 3 wives down. And, I'm going to meet you guys back at Hayakawa spawn so that I can show you guys the next location. Alright guys, so we're back, just this little area again, but we're going to be getting into the, last wife, Makio. Did I say Wakio? Makio. We're going back to the wagon boy to, fast travel again. It's going to be to Akoya Village for 100 yen, so far we've only spent 200, which shouldn't be that bad, because if you found 3 perfect crystals on that way of looking for those, you should have found some trinkets and some good stuff. But yeah, we're going to go to Akoya. Just right that on my back, and, I'm gonna show you guys how to get there and enjoy the music, guys. So, yeah. Alright guys, so we made it to the Sun Mansion, and just gonna come through here. We're just gonna try to get out the outside where there's a little grass opening here, and you know, you got the left side, and then you got the right side, and then you got Makio, you know, the best wife, obviously, you know, the actual one that knows how to do stuff with the knives, you know, she's the, like, the OP samurai ninja type, you know. And that's all three of them. Now, I'm just gonna show you guys how to get back to Tengen. You know, we're gonna talk to him, and we're gonna showcase that sound breathing. But, yeah. Yeah, I guess we're gonna just go back to Tengen real quick. Alright guys, so we're back at Tengen, and just like that, we're gonna talk to him. Make sure to have the, talk to all the wives, and we got the 3 perfect crystals just for them. And yes, and, bang. Look at that, boys. The double swords. Just like that, we got the drippy. Oh, that's clean. So, I kind of said showcase at the beginning, but, while I was running, I realized, you need 17 for the breathing, and, I only have 14. So I'm just going to showcase all that I can, but I know all the forms, so I can technically show you guys. Second form, and then we're going to get the 4th and the 5th. So yeah, we're 3 short. But I can showcase you guys some of it. So the first form we got is a little wind up, and you just bang, you know, a little explosion there. It kind of looks like explosion art, a lot of people have been saying, and stuff like that. So that's the first move, and then the second move is a little flash. Like, you get like flash, like you can't see anything for a little bit, your opponent, so it's pretty good for like stunning them and then just be able to get some free hits. 3, you just go and then you throw a bunch of these explosives down the line. It's a pretty good move. It's pretty far and not that bad. And then 4, we got you like dash forward and do a lot of those things. So that's the those are the forms I have. I'm gonna try to find a clip of the or something you know, to like tell you guys about that. So I'm gonna watch a video right now. Hold up, let me just check it because sadly I am not big brain and I did not check this beforehand. So I'm watching right now, and let's see. The 6th form is oh wait, well, oh no, this guy did add a word. Okay, never mind. I guess I cannot see the 6th form. But that's basically this video. If you guys enjoyed these type of tutorials, you know, getting sound brain and all that good stuff, then make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.